Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check if your CPU supports virtualization in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. 1. Virtualization support on AMD CPU. Download the AMD-V detection utility. The link is in the description. Now right-click on the zip file for the utility and select Extract All. Once it's extracted, open the folder and right-click on the exe file for the AMD-V detection utility, and select Run as Administrator. You will now be notified about the status of virtualization on your PC. For example, this shows that the PC supports virtualization. 2. Virtualization support on Intel CPU. Download and install the Intel Processor Identification utility from their official website. The link is in the description. Once it is installed, launch it on your PC by clicking on its icon. Now click on the CPU Technologies tab. A drop-down menu will appear. If there is a tick mark before Intel Virtualization Technology, then virtualization is supported on your PC. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.